Hello there, I'm Alex.
Hi, I'm Emma.
And these are our plastic-free bamboo kitchen towels.
So our plastic-free kitchen towels come in 2 rolls and it's a 2-ply. And the great thing about them is that they're dust-free.
Is it absorbent as well?
It's really super absorbent, so you only really need to use 1 sheet, which is great. And also, when you're cleaning things like a glass table, it won't leave any dust behind or any streaks.
Yeah, so this really has been with us since the birth of the Cheeky Panda in 2016. And now fast forward to 2021, you can find us across multiple retailers, whether it's in the UK, Europe or rest of the world, which is really, really cool. Emma, tell me, is this packaging plastic or?
No, it's not, Alex. They're actually wrapped in paper. So last year, as part of our 2020 goals, we wanted to get rid of that pesky plastic and wrap them in paper. And it's been really well received across all of our retailers. It's also vegan, and all of the bamboo that we use to make it is FSC certified.
Sustainability never felt so good.